What's up guys, Hacking Impossible here with another video. For today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a new user on a Windows system. Now most of you don't expect this type of video, but there's some people out there that would like to know how to create a new user. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and go on to the start menu. We're going to look for the computer management console. Once you do that, go ahead and double click or hit enter. And we're just going to wait a few seconds for the console to come up. Once the console is up, you're going to go ahead and look for the local users and groups. We're going to expand that, and as you can see we have the users and groups folder. So let's go ahead and go on to the users. For that, just go ahead and click on it, and on your right you're going to see the users available on the system. Notice that some of the users have a down arrow. That simply means that the user is currently disabled. So let's go ahead and create a new user. Go ahead and right click, create new user. This window should come up, and if you want, just go ahead and fill out the details here. I'm going to skip a few, go right into the password. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that box and hit create. Okay, we'll try it one more time. I'm just going to go ahead and check the password never expires. Hit create. And as you can see, it's telling us that the user is already there. So our first try was successful. We just needed to close it out for the console to refresh. So let's go on to the groups. As you can see here, we have various groups, and they all have different functions. You can go ahead and expand the description column for more details. But for today, I'm going to focus on the users and remote desktop users and the administrator groups. Obviously in the users groups, we're going to have the new user that we just created. And to confirm that, we're just going to simply just go ahead and click on it. There you go. That's the new user we created. Now the remote desktop users, I use it sometimes just to allow another user to remote into the system. Now we have the administrator groups, and we're going to go ahead and add our new user that we just created. What I like to do is go ahead and check names after I type in the user, just to make sure there's not any other user on the system kind of with the same name. Now this could happen if you're on a domain, but we'll leave that for another video. So once you do that, obviously you're letting that new user that we just created to have administrator rights over this. But I don't need it, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the user as well. And that is it, guys. It's very easy to create a new user and to delete and to add a user to a certain group. Now in most cases when I have to do this, it's because I want to share the current system with another person, but I want them to have their own separate login. And this is the way to do it. And that is it, guys. That's it for today's video. If you like, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment if you have any other videos as a suggestion, and I'll see you next time.